Old-fashioned washing machine. Material preparation. Step 1. Connect the single red wire and battery box black wire to the motor. Step 2. Apply double-sided tape to the center of the small board and assemble it with 2 other small boards. Step 3. Peel off the double-sided tape and attach the small board to the square wooden board. Note the placement of the square board. Step 4. Install the motor with its shaft facing downward into the hole. Make sure the side with wires faces outward. Step 5. Thread the 2 red wires through the holes at the corners of the square wooden board. Step 6. Align and install another square wooden board to the rear of the motor. Step 7. Install the 2 serrated boards on both sides. Pay attention to their orientation. Step 8. Align the plastic basket with the holes and attach it to the motor shaft. Don't press it all the way down. Step 9. Install the small board into the groove at the back of the plastic basket. Step 10. Align the perforated board with the slots and install it on top of the plastic basket. Step 11. Combine several clip boards and install the switch. Note the installation position of clips in the video. Step 12. Install the assembled switch panel onto the serrated board. Step 13. Connect the 2 red wires to the metal pieces on the switch. Step 14. Find the wooden board shown in the video and install it on the back of the washing machine. Step 15. Fix the nipple nails onto the rectangular small board. Step 16. Install the square wooden board on the front of the washing machine. Step 17. Install the wooden board shown in the video and secure it properly. Step 18. Attach double-sided tape to the board with nipple nails and fix the battery box. Step 19. Use double-sided tape to attach the transparent board to the original wooden board. Note: remove the protective film from the transparent board. Step 20. Use 2 small clips to fix the perforated board into the slots above the plastic basket. Step 21. Apply double-sided tape to the wooden board and place the assembled transparent board on top. Step 22. Install the C-shaped wooden strip and attach foot pads to all 4 corners at the bottom. Step 23. Install the battery and it's complete. Turn on the switch and give it a try. principle, the washing machine uses the motor's mechanical movement to rotate the drum, creating repetitive friction between clothes and the drum wall to clean the clothes.